Hey, y'all. All right. This is sourdough cinnamon roll batter. So up to this point, I have shared with y'all the cinnamon roll recipe, how I made them, all the steps. This is the same thing, except we're changing it at this point. So the same recipe for the cinnamon rolls is this recipe right here. And this step you actually do on the cinnamon rolls. Put a little butter on the dough. And as soon as this step is over, we're changing up. I have melted down some cream cheese. Okay, we have the cream cheese on here. Now we're going to take some blueberry pie filling. Blueberry cheesecake. You should love this. All right, this is powdered sugar. Okay. So we did the recipe the same as the cinnamon rolls, except when we got to this part where you're going to put the butter on, we put the butter on just like the cinnamon rolls. We did not put the brown sugar or the cinnamon. I substituted and we went with cream cheese, blueberry pie filling, and it was a whole block of cream cheese, 1 can of blueberry pie filling, and then 1 cup of powdered sugar. So, and I'll have that at the end of the video. Now, next step is we're gonna pick back up just like we did the cinnamon roll recipe and get these things ready to rise again. Let's go.